This drink right here is the Mele Kalikimaka. What is the crack? Happy holidays, everybody. My name's Rusty Bartender, and welcome to Rusty Bartender's Christmas Cocktail Advent Calendar. There is special guests in this series. There is cocktails in this series. There is prizes to be won in this series. Details below in the description. So, without further ado, let's just get straight into this recipe. So basically, this cocktail, the Mele Kalikimaka, hope I pronounced that right, I got it off the internet. I have no idea who created this cocktail. I don't know the history behind it. I just know that when I seen the flavors, I'm like, I need to make this cocktail. So here we are. If anybody actually knows who made this, let me know in the comments. I can tag them. Here we are, shaker. Gonna start off with 1 ounce, 30 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice, 2 dashes of Aromatic Bitters. If you're wondering what I'm using Dale de Graaf's Aromatic Bitters. 1/4 ounce of ginger syrup. 3/4 ounce of a cinnamon syrup. 3/4 ounce of grapefruit juice, freshly squeezed if you can get it, or just get a really good store-bought one. 1/2 ounce of Amaro Amorino. This is going to give sort of lovely, sort of bitter orange sort of notes to this. And then you're going to go 1.5 ounces of spiced rum. I'm using Rusty Barrel spiced rum today. Not affiliated with them. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. 1.5 ounces. Add ice to your shaker. And you're gonna shake for 15 to 20 seconds. Now this one is going to be strained and then topped with crushed ice. So I'm just gonna strain it all into the glass first and then add my crushed ice after, because I don't want to miss a thing, just like Aerosmith said. Then I just top up with some crushed ice or pebble ice. I don't have a pebble ice machine maker yet. Where's those sponsors at, eh? So we're garnishing with some fresh grapefruit and a little cinnamon stick just to make it look nice and tiki-like. There you go, folks. Mele Kalikimaka. All right, folks, let's give this a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. Yep, that is very, very easy to drink. I mean, spice rum, it's obviously very prominent coming through there. A little bit of Amaro Amorino gives it a little bit of bitterness, a little bit of balance to this. The grapefruit bringing the sweetness down as well, because it's got a bit of a tang. Got the lime juice as well. That is a very nice, easy sipper. I would definitely make this one again. Give this one a try, folks. The Mele Kalikimaka. Cheers. See you on the next one. It's actually fucking great, to be honest.